kuyo chairman cyoro mu bintu hano
enyuma ho tukagore kuko abantu bahungira mu cyaro cya Rwobunyonyi umugombora yabura mu district ya Hoima ahabwo kutino koma hawenta rozita kariaswe ya maili 3 ezarugiriro kwitwa kw'abantu babiri hamwe no kwose imotoka ubwo abeebembezi ba district bebembirwe muri yombigere bya chairman wa district Benson Chike hamwe no muhezi wa RDC wa Hoima Michael Cyakashari batandikira kushuganisa imbaji birezi okugaruraho businge.
Some concerned, I think the people who are suspected to have committed crimes right now as I talk are in prison, and I don't think we have more people on the list, and even if we did, I discourage the police. Already I talked to police, we don't need more arrests because more arrests could incite violence.
Benson Chike na kansara wegombora yabura Patrick Rusoke nabagira ngo abantu kutwarrebera giro mu ngaro nicyo kirugirireho miliyanaji.
We have lost because some of these people who fled were farmers and they had farms, and now for the time they have spent in other areas, they have lost their gardens, they have lost their farms, and some of them have been forced to sell off their livestock, and that's dangerous.
I don't know whether there is a compensation yet because I'm not a party if there has been internal or indoor compensation, but the process we have begun. We had the first meeting today, second meeting. We want to make sure we on to around the table to all of us, leaders, the community and the landlord, to make sure we agreed the rate of compensation.
Michael Cyakashari uri muhezi wa RDC abwa Hoima nagira ngo buzubukaretwa huba mu mbeebembezi abahabisa abatura.
Ezimwe Enshonga zikaretwa some of the people aba leaders aba communities ezo kushanga nibangira abantu batari kubikiriza kuzaha hameza kwikiriza na mukama witaka ubwo kugira ngo ine cyapa kandi nitwe turi kwikiriza umuntu kwija uno ine cyapa ukabinga abantu so hati okushanga abamwe local leaders niba incitinga nibagezaho kugambira abantu umutekiriza kudiscussinga n'abantu abo.
Julius Hakiza Aran umugambirizi wa polisi mu cyange cya Mwitanzige nagira ngo polisi bariyo no bacondoza abatuire nyuma y'emiliyanaji kandi nebija kujunanwa.
So polisi yo tsigwa ngo tukorera umugiga ninga tukorera umwo tukorera buri munya-Uganda we turya abakozi ba buri munya-Uganda so waza kugira ngo tukwata ngo umugiga bisira abantu but then we have to keep quiet to investigate and batakora umurimo w'itu professional.
Intarahita karya Rwobunyonyi zikomeseza abantu bari kurenge 10 gashakwa n'wagaba Ambrose Katoto.